وجاء أهل المدينة يستبشرون.
In the meantime, the people of the city came to Lot rejoicing.
قال إن هؤلاء ضيفي فلا تفضحون.
He said, "These are my guests, so do not disgrace me.
واتقوا الله ولا تخزون.
Have fear of Allah and do not humiliate me."
قالوا أولم ننهك عن العالمين.
They replied, "Did we not forbid you again and again to extend hospitality to all and sundry?"
قال هؤلاء بناتي إن كنتم فاعلين.
Lot exclaimed in exasperation, "If you are bent on doing something, then here are my daughters."
لعمرك إنهم لفي سكرتهم يعمهون.
By your life, O Prophet, they went about blindly stumbling in their intoxication.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مشرقين.
Then the mighty blast caught them at sunrise.
فجعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليهم حجارة من سجيل.
And turned the land upside down and rained down stones of baked clay.
إن في ذلك لآيات للمتوسمين.
There are great signs in this for those endowed with intelligence.
وإنها لبسبيل مقيم.
The place where this occurred lies along a known route.
إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين.
Verily, there's a sign in this for the believers.
وإن كان أصحاب الأيكة لظالمين.
And the people of Aika were also wrongdoers.
فانتقمنا منهم وإنهما لبإمام مبين.
So we chastised them. The desolate locations of both communities lie on a well-known highway.
ولقد كذب أصحاب الحجر المرسلين.
Surely the people of Al-Hijr also rejected the messengers, calling them liars.
وآتيناهم آياتنا فكانوا عنها معرضين.
We also gave them our signs, yet they turned away from them.
وكانوا ينحتون من الجبال بيوتا آمنين.
They used to hew out houses from the mountains and lived in security.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مصبحين.
Then the blast caught them in the morning.
فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
And whatever they had been earning proved of no avail.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وإن الساعة لآتية فاصفح الصفح الجميل.
We have not created the heavens and the earth and all that is in between them except with truth. Surely the hour will come. So, O Muhammad, do graciously overlook them despite their misdeeds.
إن ربك هو الخلاق العليم.
Your Lord is indeed the Creator of all, the All-Knowing.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَاكَ سَبْعًا مِنَ الْمَثَانِي وَالْقُرْآنَ الْعَظِيمِ.
We have indeed bestowed on you the 7 oft-repeated verses and the great Quran.
لا تمدن عينيك إلى ما متعنا به أزواجا منهم ولا تحزن عليهم واخفض جناحك للمؤمنين.
Do not even cast your eyes towards the worldly goods we have granted to different kinds of people, nor grieve over the state they are in, but turn your loving attention to the believers instead.
وَقُلْ إِنِّي أَنَا النَّذِيرُ الْمُبِينُ.
And clearly tell the unbelievers, I am most certainly a plain warner.
كما أنزلنا على المقتسمين.
Even as we had sent warning to those who had divided their religion into fragments.
الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين.
Those who had split up their Quran into pieces.
فوربك لنسألنهم أجمعين.
By your Lord, we will question them all.
عما كانوا يعملون.
Concerning what they have been doing.
فاصدع بما تؤمر وأعرض عن المشركين.
O Prophet, proclaim what you are commanded and pay no heed to those who associate others with Allah in His divinity.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين.
Surely we suffice to deal with those who scoff at you.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون.
Those who set up another deity alongside Allah, they shall soon come to know.
وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ يَضِيقُ صَدْرُكَ بِمَا يَقُولُونَ.
We certainly know that their statements sorely grieve you.
فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَكُن مِّنَ السَّاجِدِينَ.
When you feel so, glorify your Lord with His praise and prostrate yourself before Him.
وَاعْبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينُ.
And worship your Lord until the last moment of your life, that will most certainly come.